Hello everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Need to save an important email as a PDF? Maybe it's a job offer, an invoice, a receipt, or an important conversation you want to keep for your records. Whether you're using Outlook or Gmail, it's actually much easier than you might think. And if you need to edit the PDF afterward, I'll show you a simple solution for that too. Let's start with Outlook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every week, I share latest tips, tools, and techniques to help you work smarter, not harder. Open the email you want to export and click the three dots in the top right corner. You might be tempted to choose Download, but you'll notice there's no option to save the email as a PDF. Here's a better way. Click Print, and in the Print window, click the destination. You'll see a Save as PDF option. Select it, click Save, and your email will instantly be converted into a PDF. You can now open the file and keep it for your records, sharing, or archiving. If you're using Gmail, the process is very similar. Open the email you want to save, then click the printer icon in the top right corner. In the Print window, choose Save as PDF and click Save. That's it. Your email is now saved as a PDF. It's quick, simple, and only takes a few seconds. Now, what if you need to update some information in the PDF before sending it to someone? Maybe you want to update an outdated date, remove sensitive details, or update contact information. In situations like this, I usually use PDNob PDF Editor. It can convert PDFs into fully editable documents with high accuracy while preserving the original layout and formatting. Plus, it's free to use. I'll leave the download link in the description below. Here's how to use it. Open PDNob, then click Open PDF. Select the email PDF you just saved, then click OCR at the top. OCR basically turns the text inside your PDF into text that you can actually select and edit instead of treating it like an image. For the best results, choose the language used in your PDF and click Perform OCR. After a few seconds, the conversion will be complete. You can then edit text, update information, change formatting, remove content, or add new content as needed. Now your email works just like an editable document. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and office hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.